Good morning, students. Jayadash here. Today, it is the last exercise of data handling, and the chapter is probability. And this is new for you. Now, in this chapter, we will come to know few new words such as probability, chance, uh, event. In this way. Now, come to the new words. Probability, it means a chance. We often say that there is no chance of raining today, or it is quite probable that India will win the World Cup. These statements are telling that there is a chance or there is a probability, but there is no certainty. Let us try and understand the terms a little bit more. Consider the statements. The sun coming up from the west. Is it possible? No, it is impossible. India winning the next series? It is not impossible. It is possible. It may happen, but we are not certain. Now, the word chance. If we toss a coin, can you always correctly predict that what will you get, head or tail? This is a coin, and this portion is tail and this portion is head. You all know that. If we toss it, can you tell me that you are sure that head will come or you are sure that tail will come? If we toss this, head came. Now this is the probability. It may tail may come or head may come. Now say there is a here is a dice. See, you all familiar with this device. You are playing more often with this. Now how many sides are there? Faces are there? 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now if we toss this, can you predict that 4 will come or 5 will come or 6 will come? No. If we toss this, it may come any number. So this is a chance or this is a probability. Now, experiment 1, throwing a coin, possible outcomes. Now in a coin, possible outcomes is either head or tail. Possible comes are head or tail. Throwing a dice, possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next, this page is the only for explanation. Students, you no need to write this page. You will just read 2, 3, 4 times and you will understand this. This page you will not write. Now our exercise. From here you have to write. Exercise 3.4, first sum. Tell whether the following: number 1, certain to happen. Number B, impossible. Number C, can happen but not certain. Try to understand the meaning of this statement. Certain to happen, that means it will be happen only. Impossible, it will never happen. Can happen but not certain, this is the chance or the probability. May happen, may not be happen. You are older today than yesterday. Today your age will one day more than yesterday. That means you are older. So it is certain to happen. Understood? You are older today than yesterday. Today your age is one day more than yesterday. That means you are older than yesterday. Certain to happen. A tossed coin will land heads up. You are not sure. So can happen but not certain. Next, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. Is it possible? 8 is there in a die. Check your die. maximum number is 6 here and minimum is 1. So there is no 8 in the die. So the question was, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. It is impossible. Now question number 4. The next traffic light seen will be green. How can you say that? We are not confirmed. So can happen but not certain. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. We can't predict it. So can happen but not certain. Understood this page? This is question number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions are there where you have to apply this A, B, C options. Now question number 2. There are 6 marbles in a box with numbers 1 to 6 marked on each of them. In a container, you have put 6 marbles where numbers are marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next, the question is, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? See the answer. What are the numbers in the box on the marble? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then what is the probability of drawing a marble with the number 2? How many times 2 is there, students? Only 1. So out of this 6 numbers of outcome, 2 is only 1 time. So total outcome 6. I'm not sure I will get 2 on the first when I will drawing the when I will pick up the marble. It is not, I am not sure that I will take 2 at the first time, but there is a chance to get 2. So total outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 outcomes. Out of these 6 numbers, I can get 2 1 time only. So probability of getting a number 2 is 1 by 6. Out of 6, 1 time I can get 2. Next question, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? When I will pick up the marble with the number 5, when I will pick up the marble, how many times I can get 5 from there? Out of 6 numbers, I can get on 5 only 1 time. So probability of getting a number 5 is also 1 by 6. Sums are easy. You have to understand only. A coin is flipped. To decide, a coin is flipped. To decide which team will start the game. Say your team is tail and my team is head. Now we have to decide your team will start the game or my team. Now what we will do? We will toss the flip. Now see, your team can start the game because you have chosen tail and I have chosen head. This is a chance again. What are the possible outcomes? Again, here are the possible outcomes again, head and tail. When a coin is flipped, possible outcomes head and tail. That means 2 possible outcomes. From here, your chance is 1. So 1 out of 2, 1. This is your answer. I hope all of you understand probability. This is the basic of probability. In higher classes, you will get more different sums on this topic. But up to here, try to understand and practice. Thank you, students.